one more I think I can do without breaking the world. For today, when you delete a document, please work. I'm going to delete this, go to the trash. And then you happen to follow that link again. I'm just going to go back there. You just get a 404. It says it's gone. Now, when you hit that, as if this PR landing, hopefully in a day or two, if you have the right to restore it, it will actually tell you what the name of it was. This text is slightly wrong. It should look more like this, where it'll say something. This is my strategic analysis of Muppet infrastructure document. Just move to trash, keep it working, and then you can hit restore document, and it'll come right back. So this is actually there's a second part of this, which is that we're going to start auto archiving documents created on customer instances by support staff. Right now, those show up and in the content validator and drive our poor customers crazy because they're like, what is this thing that I don't care about? So pretty soon we're going to start doing that in some random interval. And then you can, if you get an old link, you can go back and restore it. So it's kind of the blocker to putting it, made repros really hard because you had to go tear it back. So this felt like a great win on both sides. So yeah, so it will look like this. Apologies that my branch is old. I'll come back a little bit later with a few more if I can figure out how to get this page.
You want to go, Alyssa, or shall I?
Go for it.
Okay, just quick stuff here.